Ayy, I told you I was lit. Ayy, I told you I won't quit. Ayy, watch you make this hit. This is a connect. Wait, what that is? What that is? What that say? What that say? um. So hey guys, welcome back to another video. Okay, what's up, my nanobies and gents? How you guys doing today? Okay, how you doing? How you doing? What's up? What's good? Okay. Anywho, I would like to first start off by saying thank you to all my new subscribers, all the people that don't subscribe and watch me. I appreciate you too. You are very much appreciated. Okay. I wanted to say thank you to getting me to 200 subscribers, a little over 200. I thank you guys. Thanks for the support. I'm so appreciative. Like, y'all don't understand what I've been through with this YouTube journey. Like, I am just doing my best to push through and continue to post for you guys because I do like to do these videos. I love inspiring people and giving people advice, even though I need to take my own advice half the time. But that's okay. Like, we're all a work in progress. You know, we're all a work in progress. So yeah. But I'm just very appreciative that you guys have been supporting me. It means a lot to me because I've been through a lot with YouTube. First of all, I actually had a YouTube page before and it got deleted and I never got it back. I've been trying to do YouTube for years, okay, probably since I was in high school. So yeah, this is the first time I've really been very consistent and just kept pushing. Like, y'all don't understand, it's been a journey. A journey. Like, this YouTube stuff is not easy, but I'm willing to push through, and I just hope you guys keep supporting me and watching my videos because I like doing them. Yeah. So hope you guys enjoyed my little speech. So we're just gonna get into the point of this video. Let me not talk y'all head off. Talk y'all ear off. So I went to the beauty supply store and I got a few things in this here bag. So yeah, I need a few things because I ran out of some stuff. So I just was like, hey, why not just go haul? You know, show you what I got. Candy beauty supply store. I ain't gonna lie, I kind of got stuck in there for a minute. But yeah, the beauty supply store, the art store for me is like a twilight zone, and I just get stuck and I just be like. So first off, I got this brush, little price tag right there. It was $5.99. Yeah. So this is similar to the other brush that I have. It's supposed to be a better brush for thicker hair. I personally don't like using brushes and combs, but because my hair has gotten so thick and so long, I still do finger detangle, but it just helps to have that extra help, you know, detangling my hair thoroughly. So I'm gonna try this brush out. I'll give you guys a review and let you guys know which one I think is better. I'll show you my other brush, but the detangle brush, and it says it's good for thin hair, thick hair, curly hair. We gonna see, cause they be lying. They be lying for real. And then I got this bonnet. Oh, you see the ring light in there. I got a new bonnet. I just felt like I needed something to hold my hair because my scarf is definitely not enough. My hair likes to peek through. So it's just gold and it's like a little glitter. I'm gonna open it for you guys. But yeah, isn't this cute? It's so sparkly. My lips is dry. Yeah, I got this sparkly bonnet. You know, you gotta be cute while you go to sleep or whatever. And then it has like a satin edge. Me personally, I don't think this is a good material, especially for my edges. So the edges are like the most delicate part of your hair, and I feel like this material is not good. Now, I feel like my hair will still snag and get caught on it. This is what the inside looks like. This material. So we'll see. I'll probably still wear my scarf, of course, because I don't like this material. This definitely is not a good material. My hair will snag. But it's pretty. It's cute. See if they can fit. What's up, boo boo? How you doing, girl? How you doing? But yeah, it's got like a little sack here. You know, it's closed off. And then you got the little tie. I don't know where it went. Hold on, I gotta take it off. You got the tie here, and you can like adjust it, make it looser or tighter. Then I got some yarn. It's like a silver color. Probably can't see it. Turn my light down. Yeah. So I got my silver yarn. So I'm going to try something different with my hair. I will be styling my hair in a certain style that's going to require yarn. It doesn't require yarn, but I just want to do something nice and cute. And something different before I go ahead and rewash my hair and go back to my curls. Okay, because I'm missing my curly girls. I'm missing my curly fries. Then I got some hairpins. I really don't like these kind. Like, they too little. Like, what? This ain't gonna hold nothing on my head. Like, what is this? What is this? They gonna hold nothing. But I guess I'm gonna have to use a bunch of them. I was trying to find something that didn't like snag my hair too much, because you know bobby pins are the main thing that'll snag your hair and break it off, especially if they're the wrong type of bobby pins. And these are more open, so I decided to get these because they're open. You know, I have to use a bunch of them, but that's alright. It's whatever. I got a bunch of them in here, so it's good. And then I got these clips. I got 2 packs of them because the clips that I have, they tend to break my hair, and my hair somehow tangled itself around the clip. I don't know how my hair does it, but I feel like my hair is alive. My hair needs special treatment, so I got these clips. My lips are so dry right now. But yeah, clips. And I got the jumbo clips because my hair is huge, and you gotta be able to put all of that aside. You know, you need the big boys. You need the big boys for this hair. So I got the big ones. And then I got some little hair jewels right here. They cute. They got like a rhinestone on them. Because the hairstyle I wanted to do, I wanted to have rhinestones in my hair. But I wasn't sure how I was going to put the rhinestones in my hair. So I got these cuffs, and I'm going to just put it on my hairstyle. You guys will see that eventually. But yeah, these are cute. They're cute. And then last but not least, I got some hair. Now, you guys are probably wondering, why the heck do I have hair? Because I have hair on my head. Well, I'm gonna tell you, I'm doing a hairstyle. So stay tuned. Subscribe. Subscribe to my channel. And you're gonna see what hairstyle I do. You gotta subscribe and turn the notification bell on so you can get notified when I do this hair video. Okay? Now, I've never in my life worked with braiding hair, so this will be the first time. So I hope you guys stay tuned for that, because I'm curious. So, alright. So, yeah, when I was looking for this hair, I'm like, this is so much hair to choose from. Like, I don't know nothing about this. All I do is wear my natural hair. So this is foreign to me. This is really foreign. This is a wait. What that is? What that is? What that say? What that say? Kanekalon. Kanekala. I really don't know what to say. Kanekalon. Caculon. Okay, I don't know what to say, but it's braiding here, so just know. So guys, I only spent $30 plus $2. But yeah, it was only $32. So that's the end of my video. I'm gonna see y'all in the next one. Stay tuned for some natural hair videos, because I will be going back to my natural hair pretty soon. Stay tuned for my styling video with the style that I'm going to do. I'm not going to tell you guys yet. I want you to be surprised. And I'm going to put my styling skills to the test. So, yeah. With that being said, like, comment, subscribe, and I'm going to see y'all in the next one. Deuces. So, what's up, my nana ladies and gents? Welcome to another video. Ay, I told you I was lit. Ay, I told you I won't quit. Ay, watch you make it sit.